We are going to sort the genre on this slide. On the left side, we have historical fiction, which means fake. And on the right, we have non-historical fiction, which is real. So the first box reads, the story tells about magical characters. Well, we know the magical characters are not real, so we would drag that right on over here. Next, we have the story contains only facts. The story has been passed down by elders. The plot is shaped by historical events. The story is the author's life. The story weaves real and fictional events. The plot shows a time's beliefs and customs. The story is set in a past time and place.